Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Zoom meeting. So let's get started. To set up a Zoom meeting, first of all, open the Zoom app. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the official website of Zoom. Once the app is open, click on sign in and enter your credentials. After logging in, click on the schedule button where you will be able to choose the meeting details such as time, date, and whether you want to add attendees or set a password for added security. Next, manage the video and audio settings and click save after setting up all the options. Now, click on the meeting tab and you'll see the meeting link. Click on the three dots and select copy invitation to copy the link. Now, you can send this link through message, social media, email, or other platforms to invite others to join the meeting. And that's it. Now you know how to set up a Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.